True Jamaican vibes, Fire Read. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, I don't know say Fire Read tour different places in Jamaica. Sure where to go, when to go. Yeah man, it's just the vibes in Jamaica, you know. So I'm giving a home remedy how to kill wasps. Just some soap powder. That's all you need with a spray pan. So keep on watching the people and I will see what I go on. Some simple home remedy. Just keep on watching. So this is the soap powder. Your choice, but I choose this one. Also, you need a spray pan that have a lot of pressure because if you don't have the pressure, the wasp them gonna come down and bite you. And always remember to do this in the early morning when it's well cold. So the wasp them love fly off in the cold time, so do it in the early morning. Yeah man, see it there? Open up your spray pan. Pour some soap powder. Mix it very strong. Very, very strong. You're gonna use more soap powder than that. So you're gonna mix it very strong. Yeah man, turn on the pipe. You need some water. So you're gonna mix the amount you need to the amount of wasp you're gonna kill. So you're gonna pump it up with the right amount of pressure. Yeah man, pump it up to the right amount of pressure. Yeah man, so you look for that pressure there, you see it? Full of pressure. So when you spray the wasp them, they can't come down upon you and bite you like that. So you have to have as many pressure in it. Many pressure. See it? This is the wasp nest. This is how I spray already. So you see the home remedy if you kill them. Look on the amount of wasps. Just some simple home remedy. So if you learn something, you can leave it in the comment section below. Yeah man, a lot of home remedy out there you can use to do certain things. So leave it in the comment section. I'm going to show you some flowers that I have same way. So welcome to Fire Read. Life with Fire Read, you know. So now keep on watching. So now watch my video every day, see how I tour Jamaica. Because I love what I do and I want to show the world all over Jamaica, the positive side, you know. Just be a positivity me deal with on the channel. So just tune in and share the videos them, make people can understand and know places in Jamaica just like you too. Yeah man, so look on the flowers garden we have here now, you know. Yeah man, just plant some cactus this morning. Yeah, different variety of cactus. Yeah man, so I've take care and I think them. Yeah, flowers pretty. All about the country life in Jamaica. See, there's a different type of palm tree. Also a different type of cactus. I don't know the variety of names them, but you can see the different type of shapes. So all the people who know them type of flowers, yeah, sometimes they have some little fungus on it and bug. Yeah man, some little fungus and bug. I'm showing you the home remedy. We can get rid of the fungus and also the bugs. Yeah man, I'm showing you what I go on. So I'm gonna mix it in a spray pan and spray the flowers them and I get rid of the fungus them. So see it here. All you need is some baking soda to get rid of the fungus and thing, you know. Just mix the baking soda in some water and just spray it. Also you can add some well grow with the baking soda and to get rid of the fungus them. So just try the home remedy if you have fungus on the flowers. It work about 99%. Just try it out. Yeah, man. So me have some palm seed. Yeah, man, some palm seed. So I'm going to see if me set them and make them grow. Yeah, man, so make them drop off. I'm going to set them and make them grow. You can look on the palm tree. Nice palm. Very nice palm tree. Yeah, look on the beautiful palm them. So now all can do something in the backyard. Yes, my people. This is what they call it, noni. And if you have everything in the backyard, man, just plant something in the backyard. Have a lot of health benefits. You can do the research. And say good for diabetes, high blood pressure. Yeah, man, so it's a nice blood cleanser also. So I'm just plant something in the backyard. Yeah, man, so this is the oil nut tree. A lot of people use castor oil, I don't know where it come from. So this is them call it oil nut. Yeah, man, this is a lemon tree. You know it's very bigger than lime. Same time we have okra tree them. Yeah, man. Okra juice good for detox the body. So I'm planting the okra in the backyard. See them, people. Yeah, man. This is the papa. Straight organic, you know. I see a lot of people don't know. Papa leaf. Good for a lot of things. Just boil it and make a tea. All the people that have dengue, can make the papa tea leaf, you know. So I'm just plant up your backyard with something more organic way if you go. I don't remember what I meant your name, you know. But it's good for boil a morning time, it's good for season. Season the meat and spice up his pot, you know. Yeah, man, it's everything you want to see right here in the backyard. Everything you want to see in the backyard. Very, very spicy mint. Early morning, make a cup of tea. Good for high cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Yeah, man, we all know say this is the lime. Yeah, man, the lime. Some all a virgin and lemon. Lime, you know. Yeah, man. Early morning, drink some lime and honey. Yeah, man, see it there? Pick some lime. So nothing like in the backyard.